Hello aspirants, welcome to our channel Disc Civil Services in Detail, guiding aspirants to become officers. Let's begin our session of The Hindu Current Affairs Analysis and Answer Writing Strategies of May 1st, 2025. We all know today is May 1st and yes, we will be discussing most important topics related to this Labor Day and all. As you know, we begin our sessions with the most impactful quote, and here it is the one. If you think you can, do it. Yes, you can. So, first most important article where US is urging India and Pakistan to de-escalate. We all know there's lots of tensions rising between India and Pakistan post Pahalgam terror attack, where India is coming with a strong measures taking those who are supporting terrorism should be ready to face the consequences. This is what India's voice is, and they are saying yes, our message will be loud and clear, and this time we are not going to tolerate. And we all know that what are the 5 immediate actions taken by Cabinet Committee on Security. So here in this article, US is urging instead of escalating, now it's time to de-escalate the tensions between the two nations, and it is the time to sort out all the relevant other aspects also, like cross border terrorism, Indus Water Treaty, and not encouraging the leaders to take care of these anti human or what it's called brutally violent related activities and all. Yes. So, what are the other nations and what are the other famous personalities giving? Of course, everyone came up with their statements condemning this is the not right way to. This is outrightly condemned, and this is not the way to behave in a where the worlds are focusing on developing peace and building strong ties. It's not at all acceptable. This is what different nations said, but we will be discussing more from exam point of view. More Gulf nations call for de-escalating tensions between India and Pakistan. As I already mentioned, this year there will be definitely a question on India-Pakistan relations as well as Indus Water Treaty, and most importantly terrorism, and what are the features at international, that is global level, what are the initiatives taken to tackle these kind of activities, how India is having relations with other nations, all these things. Please make sure prepare a list of all these topics and at least prepare 200 words notes from your current events, because lots of inputs are provided in the Hindu, especially the editorial list contains lots of inputs and data. Make sure you have all these notes in your all this input in your current affairs note. That will be helpful for writing wonderful mains answers. Yes, so again he is meeting with the foreign ministers of Kuwait and to discussed latest development in India-Pakistan relations, and they also discussed about UNSC decisions. So they were all discussing about how these latest developments will be taking place in these regional and international arenas. Both the countries should de-escalate, avoid further escalation, resolve disputes through diplomatic means while upholding the principles of good neighboring countries and working towards stability and peace. We already said we are working for peace rather than focusing on war. These are the nations coming up saying yes, you have to focus now and you have to de-escalate tensions. Yes, Air India fuel prices, fuel bills will definitely rise because Pakistan has shut down its way. So we have to, instead of taking short route, we have to take long route. Will be definitely, it's like giving huge rise to those energy consumption, fuel consumption, time. Of course, time and energy, everything will rise. All these prices will rise, and we'll see how it takes place. Because पाकिस्तान ने एयर जो भी एयरवेज हैं इंडिया के थ्रू जाने वाले, तो उनके लिए उन्होंने रास्ता बंद कर दिया है. तो उसकी वजह से इंस्टेड ऑफ वी गोइंग फ्रॉम शॉर्टकट, नाउ वी हैव टू टेक द लॉन्ग रूट, एंड इट विल डेफिनेटली, जब आप शॉर्टकट से छोड़ के दूसरे रास्ते पे जो लंबा है उसमें जा रहे हो तो डेफिनेटली इट विल टेक लॉट्स ऑफ एनर्जी एंड टाइम, एंड ऑब्वियसली फ्यूल प्राइसेस, जो एक्स्ट्रा कंजप्शन ऑफ फ्यूल होता है तो उसका बिल राइज होगा ही. तो दिस इज व्हाट दिस आर्टिकल इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. Extra chief appointed head of reconstituted National Security Advisory Board. इसमें कीवर्ड नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजरी बोर्ड है. यू शुड डेफिनेटली नो हु आर द पर्सन्स एंड कंपोजिशन कैसे होता है एंड चेयरमैन कौन होता है, ऑन विच बेसिस दे टेक केयर एंड व्हाट आर द रोल एंड functions. Finally, what is the objectives? What are the objectives? And all these things. मतलब चेयरमैन क्या कौन होता है and all these things. And persons के साथ साथ if possible names भी देख लीजिए, because if even prelims, especially those who are writing state level or SSC CGL, you may get a question on this. Yes, coming back to this article, government has reorganized NSAB with Alok Joshi, former chief of RA. जो रा के फॉर्मर चीफ थे, नाउ ही हैज अपॉइंटेड एज चेयरमैन एंड इंडक्शन ऑफ 7 मेंबर्स हैव बीन डन. एंड वो 7 मेंबर्स कौन हैं? इंक्लूडिंग फॉर्मर एम्बेसडर टू रशिया DB वेंकटेश वर्मा, नॉन प्रोलिफरेशन एक्सपर्ट है, एंड लेफ्टिनेंट AK सिंह है, ही इज़ अ फॉर्मर वेस्टर्न एयर कमांडर, एंड मार्शल PM सिम्हा है, ही इज़ रेयर एडमाइरल मॉन्टी खन्ना है, एंड IPS ऑफिसर्स राजीव रंजन वर्मा, मनमोहन सिंह. You may not get a question related to their names in UPSC prelims, but like as I already mentioned, though state level exams होते हैं, group 2, group 1, group 4, or even the one who are writing bank POs, SSC CGL or DSC kind of, they may ask you the names of these persons or chairmans and their composition and all these things. But for UPSC, along with analysis, stick to concept. So main reason क्या है? As we all know, this Pahalgam terror attack. So we are coming up with a few important changes and decisions, and this is the one among them. So NSAB के बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी होनी चाहिए. When was started? 1998, constituted in December as an advisory body, eminent personality outside the government to render advice on national security issues, exclusively for focusing on national security. Referred to it by NSC, again National Security Council. It draws people of diverse demands including industry, media, civil society. So now it is in news because of Cabinet Committee on Security chaired by Narendra Modi ji on Wednesday had came up with a decision this, yes, 7 new members को induct कर रहे हैं, and पूरा उसका जो भी है body उसको मतलब उसका objective पूरा change करके we are giving full fledged complete operational freedom to take any action. This is what the main highlight of this article. तो नया कर रहे हैं, उनको ज़्यादा राइट्स दे रहे हैं, पावर्स दे रहे हैं, सो दैट दे कैन टेक एक्शन ऑन इमीडिएट बेसिस to ensure the safety and security in the nation. This is what this article is all about. That's it. Nothing more than that. Yes, these are the state level regional news. You should definitely have what's going on. मतलब आप जब state level exams लिख रहे हो तो regional news क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ क्या चल रहा है, थोड़ा पता चलना चाहिए. So new Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham has been taken this Satya Chandrasekharendra Saraswati, left with the current seat of sorry, I'll just explain it in a simple short. ये जो कंची कामाकोटी पीठम है उसके न्यू पर्सन हैज बीन टेकन as a main what is called main pandit. So उनका नाम may not be asked for your competitive exams, लेकिन थोड़ा जानना जरूरी होगा. तो who is that? Surya Duddu Satya Venkata Surya Subramanya Ganesha Sharma Dravid is the 71st Acharya performing the Sannyasa Diksha Samaroh and handing over the Tandam staff. ये जो staff आपको यहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है ना, staff at the Ganga Tirtham of Sri Kanchikamakoti Ambal Devasthanam temple. So he has been replaced by him, and he is the one who is taking all the what is called responsibilities from now onwards. That's it. So 7 killed in Simhachalam temple. It's an unfortunate incident. That is one what happened. This मैंने आपको रीजनल न्यूज़ क्या हो रहा है पता चलने के लिए ऐड किया है. Nothing more than that. Says bonded labor, as I already mentioned, This article, they have added few case studies and few inputs also. Pay first international labor day है, तो उसके हिसाब से they have come up with few important case studies, observations, policies and plans, and what happening post independence, and what is the ground reality in India, and what can be done further so to avoid these kind of havocs. This is what. So here he came up with the Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh, Mukesh Advani's case study is the one in this article, where they are saying he was traveled to Karnataka and trapped as bonded labor. Brutal violence. He passed through brutal violence on sugarcane farm, and just he was lured with a 500 rupees advance, and he got ignited hope, crammed into trucks, endured a grueling journey only to face relentless toil, and he used to work 14 to 15 hours per day. Here it is, this whole para is talking about this Mukesh Advani's case study. So this particular Adha has taken two incidents, two case studies, and he explained how people are getting trapped into bonded labor, and what are the reasons, what are the challenges, what are the consequences, how they are ending up their lives. This is what this whole article is talking about. See, we are flying to space and we are touching the moon, but still on earth these kind of situations are there, we have to take care of. As you are preparing for just such a prestigious exam, and as a bureaucrat you're going to change the lives, so these kind of things has to be taken care of. This is why it's important to study current affairs. क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, कैसे हम सुलझा सकते हैं, सुलझाव क्या दे सकते हैं. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू थिंक एंड एक्ट. सो कमिंग बैक टू द आर्टिकल, उनका एक केस स्टडी है. दूसरा है पुत्तूर, आंध्र प्रदेश से. Tenmoji is a childhood dream of bright future collapsed at the age of 18. So he was financially not good. So family ended up in a Bangalore kiln working, where they got advance of 2000 rupees, and whole family drove to start working there. They went so far to join there. वहाँ जाने के बाद they were ended up with brutality, beatings, verbal abuse, confinement. All this shattered their spirit. So they said they were trapped. After long wait, when a social worker visited, with his help they escaped from there. On night, fleeing barefoot, their family left on a train and reached their village back. They were breathed, at least हम यहाँ अपने गांव में रह के, अपने शहर में रह के कुछ करेंगे. So this is the another case study. See, all these are like Tenmojis. See, all these are like, they went, similar case we have studied in when the people from Maharashtra, Bihar, southern states, when they flee to Saudi Arabian state and get trapped under there as bonded labor. Even the movie Goat, you might have seen this movie, how they have clearly explained how these people go with lots of, and how they ended up with this tragic incidents and all. So all these harrowing experience of survivors such as Mukesh Advani ho, Adivasi ho, ya Tenmoji ho, among lakhs of Indians who are ended up as bonded labor, exposing brutality of the exploitation, as well as under, मतलब ये जो situation है, it has to be taken care of immediately, so that freedom जो भी है, right to freedom, right to environment, and right to life, right to having free speech, and all these things should be taken care of from that perspective too. So India had abolished Labor Act in 1975 itself, and in 2016, then Union Labour Minister Bandaru Dattatreya Garu said, Parliament को बताए थे कि 1.84 crore bonded labor are there in India, and by 2030 it's our vision बॉन्डेड लेबर को कम्प्लीटली एरेडिकेट करने के लिए. लेकिन 2016 से 2021 तक दे हार्डली एबल टू रिहा नियरली 12,000 पीपल. Out of this 1.8 crore, they hardly able to get rid of this मतलब जो बॉन्डेड लेबर्स को रिहा कर पाए थे, वो among only 12,000. Just imagine, still 1.71 crore people are there who are suffered and suffocating. So this target of eradicating bonded labor by 2030, matlab 11 lakh individual has to be at least rescued annually since 2021, but it was not happened till now. So its immediate action has to be taken care of. ये जो नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इंडिया होता है उसका रिपोर्ट लेना है, और अदर क्रोर वर्कर्स जो होते हैं, मतलब ऑर्गेनाइजर सेक्टर क्या है, अनऑर्गेनाइजर सेक्टर क्या है, और इंटरनेशनल लेबर रिपोर्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस क्या बोल रहे हैं, to take in different perspective in action and start acting and start make a policy where these kind of things can be taken care of. And coming back to the article again, International Labour Organization's India Employment Report 2024 also states that low quality jobs in the informal sector and informal employment are the dominant forms of work in India. So these kind of facts directly copy paste in your notes and write it. So ground reality क्या है? Unfortunately, unorganized workers जो भी है, predominantly migrants in India, informal sector lack union, they lack union, depriving them of collective bargaining power. Without union, unorganized workers face exploitative conditions, like I already mentioned, like law of formal contracts. They risk arbitrary dismissal. And even in the 1940s, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar championed labor rights, mandating trade union reorganization and collective bargaining is a must, including right to strike. So, however, labor codes of 2019 to 2020 have undermined Ambedkar's legacy, eroding workers' rights and prioritizing profit over people, leaving them vulnerable to exploitation. So, coming back to this article, here the final conclusion is simple. This exploitation, deliberate assault on their dignity, perpetuated by the system prioritizing profit, should be matlab immediately should be handled and taken care of, so that India's economy shamefully thrives on banded and forced labor profiting from its most vulnerable should be halted. मतलब उसको stop करके they should come up with different policies where they have to, where they can take care of this bonded labor, and where they can ask them to form organizations, and where they can फोकस ऑन द बेटर लिविंग कंडीशंस, गिविंग बेटर लिविंग कंडीशंस. सो यहाँ आपको इस आर्टिकल में थोड़ा केस स्टडीज पढ़ना होगा, चैलेंजेस पढ़ना होगा, एंड हाउ दे आर सफरिंग, व्हाट आर द मतलब कंसर्न्स थोड़ा पढ़ना होगा, एंड फाइनली व्हाट आर द कंक्लूजन पॉइंट में सॉल्यूशंस यू आर गिविंग एज ए future bureaucrat officer. This is what important. I hope it's clear. I hope this article is very clear. Yes, 100 years ago, 50 years ago, always important. Please make sure ये facts थोड़ा notes में लिख लेना, और जहाँ भी mains में आपको लगेगा कि yes important है, तो please make sure to quote this example in your mains. The impact of suspending a water treaty, yes I already mentioned Indus water treaty इस साल तो mains में रहेगा ही रहेगा. तो this particular article is saying इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी जो 1960 में साइन किया गया था उसके लिए एग्जिट क्लॉज नहीं है. एज वी ऑल नो, नो सिंगल पार्टी कैन एग्जिट, एंड every decision has to be taken with both parties concerned and all. So article 62 of the VCLT मतलब Vienna Convention, sorry, Vienna Convention on the law of treaties can be used to revoke the treaty. India is not a party to the VSLT. See, remember, India is not at all party to this, and Pakistan ने इसको ratify नहीं किया है. Pakistan is proposing but ratify नहीं हुआ है. तो now they are saying forcefully you are terminating a duly ratified treaty is not at all acceptable. So between the two governments it should be taken a decision with the proper discussions and all. To handle cross border terrorism, now you are utilizing water as a weapon. So the what is called the Minister of State for Law and Justice in Pakistan said you have three options. One, we have three options. उन्होंने बोला उनको three options है. पहला option है they will take World Bank's opinions and they will bring World Bank into between to handle this decision, because जब ये 1960 में discussion हुआ था और sign किए थे, World Bank के जरिए ही किया था. World Bank is the mediator, sorry, is the one who handle this. So other than that, permanent court of arbitration जो भी है उसका करेंगे, और इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस, इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस एट हेग जो है उसके द्वारा करेंगे, या फिर द raising the issue at the UN Security Council. So these are the three options we have left to take care of this underwater treaty. So stopping the flow of water may definitely raise few other perspectives too. मतलब जो other neighboring nations हैं जो इंडिया के और पाकिस्तान के, उनको भी थोड़े इश्यूज राइज होंगे. वो कैसे होंगे, इस आर्टिकल में उन्होंने बोला है कि इंडिया हैज ए स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ ओनली अराउंड 1 MAF and has developed irrigation of for about 0.64. थोड़ा मतलब थोड़ा फिगर्स दे दिया है. और उन्होंने बोला है कि 6 कैनल्स पर्टिकुलरली दिस कोलिस्तान कैनल जो भी है, जो डिजर्टेड एरिया पंजाब में है, उसको कैसे प्रोडक्शन के लिए, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोडक्शन के लिए, एग्रीकल्चर के लिए, डोमेस्टिक कंजप्शन के लिए पाकिस्तान और इंडिया कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. सो मेजर प्रोजेक्ट सजास भंगरा, पोंग और रंजित सागर डैम कैसे इनको हैंडल, इस पानी को यूटिलाइज करते हैं, सब बता के इन्होंने थोड़ा नाइबरिंग कंट्रीज के ऊपर कैसे इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा. मतलब इज दिस होल आर्टिकल इज ऑल अबाउट फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स. आई एम सॉरी, this whole article is about facts and figures along with analysis. So finally, India has launched short, medium term, long term plans to maximize its watershed and reduce flows into Pakistan. Most was western river projects remain run of the river. All these things they have discussed, and finally they are saying India may justify its position on suspending the Indus Water Treaty. However, it is steps on the IWT do not politically और diplomatically satisfy other neighboring countries. जैसे मैंने बताया है, क्योंकि अपर रिपेरियन टू मैनी इंडियन रिवर्स चाइना है और लेफ्ट साइड में अफगानिस्तान है. ये थोड़ा डिस्कशंस आएंगे. सो बी प्रिपेयर टू फेस ऑल दीज नोटेड पॉइंट्स. This is what they are saying. And he is also saying during Doklam crisis in 2017, China did not share hydro data with India but shared it with Bangladesh. And India and Bangladesh have agreed to renew Ganga Water Treaty set to expire in 2026. So India's decision on, see here they are talking about India China and India Bangladesh, and they have given reference of 2 different articles. This is why I told you editorials important hai. Please make sure to write beautiful answers. So here they are saying now you are coming up, even they have focused on Nepal's version too. So now they are coming with up this kind of what it's called suspension. It's a cautious step. It should be a cautious step where you should be carefully signing the agreements with the nations. This is what they are saying finally. That's it. Nothing more than that. Yes, तो जम्मू कश्मीर का मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया था. Economy generates from majorly agriculture and next tourism. To tourism at halt because of this attack, where even the protesters of local community said killing these innocent people is not right because कश्मीर की टूरिस्ट और कश्मीर की जान है, उनकी जान है और उनका जान लेना ही गलत है. All these kind of placards they are used. So here in this article they have come up with few charts and details of how this is generating. This tourism is booming and slightly gaining in the Union Territory's own revenue, and how these tourist numbers gradually declined post Pahalgam. They have said nearly 80% of the bookings cancelled, but again after Atul Kulkarni's act where he went there and said Kashmir hamara hai, Kashmir hamari jaan hai, so we will come back. So it's our time to fight against terrorism with tourism. This is what his point is. So such a beautiful lines. देखो tourism को support करो as well as tourism को एक weapon बना के terrorism को fight करो. This is what this said. So here they have come up with a few observations from Kashmir's budget documents and annual economic survey and even South Asian terrorism portal, and they have these figures and all. जो भी आपको लगेगा कि yes these may get a extra 1% mark, जो भी मतलब आपको helpful होगा to write, you can write it in your exam. Breathing life into Vemnad Lake, as it is the longest lake in India, the largest in Kerala, it's gasping to breathe. To what are the reasons? I will do a separate article on this because it has high what is called, it is a high probable topic for both prelims and mains, and you need its 360-degree dimensional approach. इस article के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. मतलब both from environment point of view, economy point of view and polity point, even geography also comes in this. So ये पूरे subjects को देखते हुए 360 डिग्रीज का डायमेंशन करते हुए इवन डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट का. सो मेंस में इस क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली आएगा. सो उसको कैसे हैंडल करना है, कैसे बताना है, और रिसेंट ऑब्जर्वेशंस पूरा बता के इसको मैं एक कंप्लीट डिफरेंट आर्टिकल बना के एक सेपरेट स्लाइड और सेपरेट वीडियो रिलीज करूंगी. Yes, these facts and figures are really important for writing good answers. As I already mentioned, please make a note of all these facts in your notes. Is natural hydrogen the fuel of the future? So you should definitely know. असल में नेचुरल हाइड्रोजन किसको बोलते हैं, मतलब व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड. हाइड्रोजन अलग है, सो नेचुरल हाइड्रोजन क्या है, एंड हाउ दिस नेचुरल हाइड्रोजन बिकम्स द फ्यूल ऑफ द फ्यूचर. मेंस में सीधा क्वेश्चन पूछ ले सकता है. सो हियर दिस आर्टिकल इज टॉकिंग अबाउट नेचुरल हाइड्रोजन occurs as a free gas in geology produced by process such as serpentinization, मतलब the interaction of water and iron containing rocks. So radiolysis of water by radioactive rocks जो भी होते हैं from organic matters at depth, this is how they form. So there could be sufficient natural hydrogen to supply the growing world demand for thousands of years based on a model run by the US Geological Survey, which was unveiled in October 2022. So American Association of Petroleum Geologists ने क्या बोला है? It is the first natural hydrogen committee. They formed it for natural committee and they are saying this is gonna be the fuel of the future. So इसको कैसे प्रिजर्व करना है, कैसे कंजर्व करना है और कैसे यूज करना है, and how it can change the energy demands and dynamics of the global scenario. See, this is such a wonderful article. Please make sure ये digital version में available है. ये it is not available in your paper. That's what I'm adding because these are the direct questions आपको mains में आ जाएंगे. In this article they have said how this natural gas is extracted. मतलब extraction कैसे होता है, मतलब पहले फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है वो भी ज़रूरी है, एक्सट्रैक्शन कैसे होता है, सो करंट रिजर्व्स कहाँ पर हैं, एंड हाउ दीज इंडस्ट्रीज कैन यूटिलाइज देम, एंड व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस इन extraction and using them, and what are the way forward you are expecting और current conclusions आप क्या देना चाहते हो. First you should definitely know इसको कैसे तैयारी किया जाता है. सो क्लीन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी से इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर टू सेपरेट हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन होने के बाद हाइड्रोजन को रिस्टोर करते हैं एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू पॉइंट ऑफ यूज. फ्रॉम देयर इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज डिफरेंट in different forms as a clean energy form of green hydrogen. So this is how it is produced and this is how it is used. And yes, you should definitely know about what is the national green हाइड्रोजन मिशन. इसका टारगेट क्या है, इसका मोटो क्या है, एंड व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट. इट वाज देयर इन PYQ प्रीलिम्स. दिस ईयर यू मे गेट ए क्वेश्चन इवन इन मेंस टू. सो की हाइलाइट्स क्या है? इंडिया ए ग्लोबल हब फॉर प्रोडक्शन, अगेन आई एम सेइंग प्रोडक्शन, यूटिलाइजेशन एंड एक्सपोर्ट. द मेन मोटो यही है, एंड एक्सपोर्ट का. इंडिया शुड बी लाइक ए ग्लोबल हब. दिस इज वॉट दे आर एमिंग टू. सो इसको करने के लिए हमने क्या किया है, नेशनल ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन मिशन को अपनाया है और उसमें ओवर 95% आउटले फॉर स्ट्रैटेजिक इंटरवेंशंस फॉर ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन ट्रांसिशन प्रोग्राम विल बी डन एंड दिस प्रोवाइड टू डिस्टिंक्ट फाइनेंशियल incentive mechanism where targeting domestic manufacturing is the one, production of green hydrogen is the second. And which ministry taken care of? Ministry of new and renewable energy. This is what important. So features क्या है? Establishment of GH2 green hydrogen ecosystem, robust standards and regulations. इसका थोड़ा R&D भी चाहिए, पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप चाहिए. एक्सपेक्टेड आउटकम्स बाय 2030 है. क्या है? 5 MMT ऑफ GH मतलब ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन प्रोडक्शन चाहिए और एडिशन ऑफ 125 गीगावाट्स ऑफ रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी कैपेसिटी को भी रीच करना है. इसके द्वारा they will be improving this employment generation and all, where they are focusing for development of this 6 lakh jobs creation and all. And also इसको कैसे different colors होते हैं इसके, जैसे green hydrogen, blue hydrogen, turquoise, green, and how these colors differentiate, मतलब ये colors कैसे मिलते हैं और इस प्रोसेस में which colors is utilized for which particular process, ये सब पूरा इस आर्टिकल में और एक बार दिया गया है. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर इसमें थोड़ा important facts and data है. You do one thing, I'll take important synopsis and inputs of this particular article and post it in our Telegram channel. So जो भी authentic inputs from these editorials आपको चाहिए, you just go to our Telegram channel, check out and download the PDF and write it in your notes. I hope it's clear. Yes, so Vietnam, 50 years of reunification of North and South. So quiz has been posted on that. And this is the photo of the decade, because this was a very famous photo where the kids were, matlab after this bombing, how this affected the whole surroundings. वो बताते हुए ये पिक उस टाइम में निकाला गया था. And this photographer was like ऑल टाइम था उस टाइम का. मतलब ही गॉट इवन some international awards for capturing this. So just go through this quiz once. And yes, eye openers from Vietnam to Gaza, as already mentioned, these are the few important synopsis and background given about how this American entanglement in Southeast Asian country began in November 1955 with US favoring communist takeover of the South by North Vietnam. It's all about Vietnam, Gaza. So this picture is about reunification. They are celebrating this 50 years of reunification and all. And they have given few updates and points. That's it. Yeah, quizzes I add, to get that extra data and all. 3 Chinese astronauts return after 6 months on space station. As I already mentioned, SNT में ये थोड़ा पूछा जाएगा. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर इसका नाम थोड़ा याद रख लीजिए, उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं है. तो क्रू कौन गया है, क्यों गया है, और अप्रैल 30 को आए हैं आफ्टर 6 months ऑन द कंट्री स्पेस स्टेशन. So they have plowed billions into the space program in recent years, and world's second largest economy has bold plans to send a crewed mission to the moon. So 19 crew have been working in space since October 2024, during which time they carried out experiments and set a new record for the longest ever spacewalk and all. So it's been a complete successful module, and they came back, and these are the 6 people: Wang, Commander, and all these things. So just go through the names of the crew and just observe what happened and how it developing space technology and all. That's it, nothing more than that. So these are the articles for the today. I hope it's clear. मैं ज़्यादा इन डेप्थ PhD काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च नहीं करवा रही हूँ. एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में जो भी ज़रूरत है उसको वेरी क्विक फिक्स में, वेरी मतलब it should be clear, brief, and it should be helpful instead of getting dwelled and utilizing much energy and wasting much energy and time, because prelims ahead. I know time कितना crucial है. I hope it's clear. This session will be very much helpful for you all. जब भी आपको कुछ भी doubt है या पूछना चाहते हैं, you can just drop a message. We are here to help you, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.